Women have something to give that AI cannot, and that is warmth, a loving heart, and loads of imperfection. That's what I think anyway. But it seems that the world is trying to replace women with robots. They believe that robots can provide the intimate relationships that women offer. Honestly, today, many men acknowledge that having interacted with AI companions is fun. What happens when this fun turns into an obsession? News after news of men wanting to marry robots? With robots like Ameca and Sophia on the rise, it is alarming to think how the world could be filled with robots instead of women. When you ignore your wife to interact with robots, what's the world going to? In this video, I am going to reveal to you what is really happening in the world. Will AI replace women? AI in relationships. More than 60% of men in Japan have accepted the fact that they have interacted with an AI companion at least once. However, they dropped out of their experimentation once they realized how inhuman the bots were. AI companions like Replika are becoming more popular nowadays. They can chat, talk, and provide support to those who interact with them. These chatbots can provide emotional support without the problems of a human relationship. But here's the catch. It is but an algorithm responding to the men who interact with them. It is not a real, emotional connection. Instead, it is only a robot churning out programmed words at you. How absurd does that feel compared to a relationship with a human wife? Your wife comforts you, but not in ways that a robot can provide. The emotional intelligence that women frequently contribute to their roles is absent from AI. A nurse can detect when a patient needs comfort, and a teacher can tell when a youngster is upset or having difficulties. These are human-based skills that AI, no matter how advanced, cannot reproduce. A study found that people who use AI companions report feeling lonelier as compared to those who have human interactions. This shows how lacking these AI companions are in terms of emotional support. Relationship expert Dr. Laura Fields explains, AI companions can offer some level of comfort, but they lack the ability to understand complex human emotions. A chatbot can't share in your joy, feel your pain, or offer genuine empathy. She adds, human relationships are built on shared experiences, trust, and emotional connection. Things that AI can mimic, but never truly replicate. On popular YouTube channels discussing this topic, comments reveal mixed feelings. One viewer noted, AI girlfriends are like a digital band-aid for loneliness. They feel real until you realize it's just a fancy algorithm responding to you. Another said, it's like talking to a mirror that talks back. It's you, but not really you. The emotional gap. AI can have a conversation, but it can't provide the warmth of a hug, the sound of laughter, or the comfort of someone truly understanding you. Relationships with AI lack the imperfections and challenges that make human connections valuable. If you never fight with your perfect robot companion, then how will there even be love or a sign of affection? And from the comment section of these videos, one viewer wrote, "You can't replace love with algorithms. My mom is my hero, and no AI could ever replace the care she gives." This is the same in countless other videos and articles. People understand the limits of AI when it comes to the human experience. Think of AI robots as personal help, but not more than that. It's just like using a calculator. It might be super smart, but it needs humans to enter the numbers. Just like that, AI-powered robots might be able to help women instead of going against them. Some women are actually at the head of this AI technology, and they are working hard to create new tech that supports and works with them, not against them. This is important because many men believe that these robots could actually be the women they want. Unfortunately, they don't consider the fact that robots cannot replace the human touch and love. In the end, AI isn't here to replace women. It is here to be of help to them. It's like having a friend or a helper, but definitely not a substitute. So, next time you see a video asking if AI will replace women, remember, AI might be amazing at many things, but it can never even try to replace the soul, heart, and unique qualities that make us human. What do you think? Can AI ever really replace humans, especially women? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple takes on complex questions. Thanks for watching.